Okay, so here's what the room looks like as you walk inside. To the right, you have the fabric stash, my workstation, this is my cutting station, and then over here, we have a cutting table on wheels, and you can fold it out so it's got 2 leaves. It's really handy. Little drawers, ironing station. Got a little velvet lounge just in case I'm tired and just want to rest in here. Over here. There are the girls, the dress forms. The closet we have, of course, patterns. Organize the patterns by dresses, and then if they're the vintage ones, I've got them by decade. These are all historical costumes, children's patterns, tops. I get these little bins at a little like Japanese dollar store called Daiso. They're $1.50 actually, and they're wonderful. So these are all the patterns, and then this wire rack came from Amazon, and I think they're about $50. These are all like remnants or projects that I abandoned probably. And then on the other side are things like my zippers and tapes, glue guns, bias bindings, needles, trims, elastics, Velcro, more remnants there. Got some like rulers and fabric rolls there. The top. More supplies. Over here, this is a poster from an exhibit I went to in London. It's called Fashioned from Nature, and it's about sustainability and how we make fabric from cottons and how they're treated, and it's a really great exhibit. And I actually have the book from the exhibit right here. This beautiful velvet lounge I got from Target, of all places, and it's really comfortable, and it's great to have in my space when I just want to sit down and probably tear out a seam or something. Some fashion books, a Dior book, Alexander McQueen. Here is my library, and on the top I have all of my fashion books, but at the bottom I have my neuroscience books from school. But I'll probably do a video on my fashion books later because I think some of them are really, really good and are worth talking about in more detail. And here's my little ironing corner. So I can kind of move this out if I need to, and I've got my threads. And then one of my favorite things in this room is this cute little, well, it's really a Christmas light fixture, but I got it at Ace Hardware, and I think it's really cute, and it's going to stay here year round. And here's my pegboard that I got from IKEA, and it's super easy to put up, super great quality, lots of great accessories. I highly recommend it. And I've got my Bernina sewing machine. I have the 330, which I love it. I've got my Brother serger, the 1034D, really great machine. It's my entry-level machine. Someday when I have money, I might upgrade to a baby lock, but we will see. And then I have this cute little cart. I think I got it from, I got it from Target. I love it. I put my ironing hams and clappers and sprays, and my cat is making an appearance because he's nosy. Hearts, it's one of my favorite fabric stores. It's in Santa Cruz, but you can actually order online, and they are wonderful. And here I have my cover stitch, which I have not used yet because I am intimidated. But it's the Cover Pro 1000 CPX. Got it at Sewing Machines Plus. Love it. Well, I don't really love it yet because I haven't used it, but I'm sure I'm going to love it. I love that I have it. Let's just say that. This is my poster from London. I got it at the Tate Modern Museum. And in case you're wondering why I have so many posters from London, it's because I went to graduate school there, so I have fondness for that city. This is my workstation if I'm printing out patterns or actually working from home, which I do occasionally. This is where I work. And I got this poster again in England at Bath. So I went to the Fashion Museum in Bath. I got this cute little poster. This fashion plates, I love it. Another favorite item in the room, this cute little umbrella. Vogue poster. And of course, the best part of all, the fabric stash. Yes, another IKEA fixture. And yep, it's all folded. Makes sense to me, I think. But yeah, everything is pretty much, all of the furniture is IKEA. And I think it's just a great affordable option for putting your sewing room together. And there you have it.